As in the last video, we have seen the finite automata, which is the finite automata meson format. So we are going to see what is the meson format here. Q, epsilon, delta, Q naught, F are the set of the finite automata, where Q is the finite non-empty set of states and epsilon finite non-empty set of input states, and delta is a transitional function, and Q naught is the initial or beginning state of the finite automata, and F is the finite non-empty set of the final states. Also we have seen the mechanical diagram for the finite automata. Now let us detailedly discuss about this mechanical diagram: input tag, reading head, and finite control. So the first one is about input tape. So this input tape contains the input symbols. So let us discuss about the theory part about these parts. And we write input. We know that input tape is contains the input symbols. So it contains the input symbol. It is divided into several squares which contains single character of the input alphabet. So here we say that again this is divided into several squares, which we have seen in the diagram. These are called several squares which contain single character of the input alphabet. So each character can be held in the single squares. We have seen in this way. Now let us see some more detail. Both left and right ends of input tape contains end marker. Between two end markers. So the input string is placed. This string is needed to be processed from left to right. As in the beginning, we have discussed how the transition is done from the left to right. So the input tape is contain the input symbols, as we have seen, as we have written here. So it contains the input symbol. It is divided into several squares, which is a single character of the input alphabet. So in these squares, the thing we should write from the left to right. We should write all our input strings from the left to right. So let us discuss about this reading head. So as the second one is the reading head. So as we know, the